How to scan QR code on Discord. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to scan QR code on Discord. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Discord app is up to date. If not, please go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and type in Discord and then click on Discord and make sure to click on update if there is the update button. And then once you have updated your Discord, open it and then go to your profile found by clicking on this three lines found on the upper right corner and then click on your profile on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you are here, scroll down a little bit and then you may be able to see the scan QR code option right here. So you just simply click on scan QR code and then make sure to point your camera to the QR code that will be shown on your PC or your laptop, for example. So this is very useful whenever you want to log in to your DC or Discord whenever it is your first time using it on another device. So what you're going to do is to go to discord.com and then a QR code will appear. What you're going to do is to click on scan and QR code, and then once it has been scanned, your account will be logged in automatically without typing your email, your phone number, or your username, and your password. So that's it. That's how you can scan QR code on Discord. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.